Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to create new lock screen in Do Not Disturb on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Do Not Disturb. Then in the Do Not Disturb, scroll down and go to Customize Screens. Then choose this one. Then after that, click the Create a New Lock Screen. Then as you will see, you can select a lock screen that you want. For example, you want to select this one to add on your lock screen collection. And if you want to add this, just click Add. Then a pop-up will appear. Then click Set as Wallpaper Pair. And your new wallpaper is enabled. And that's it. We have successfully created new lock screen in Do Not Disturb on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!